Hernandez, Miss Cosmo 2025 runner-up from the
who went here at the airport just to see me and to say goodbye. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Safe skies. Thank you, babies. Joke lang yun, no? Joke lang. Bibero lang. But yeah, thank you. I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye! Naiya Terminal 1, 1 p.m. Thank you for the gifts. Shout out ko lang ulit yung mga top gifters natin and top viewers. Of course, si Baby Rona, Mommy Marie, Lai, Sashi, Chacha, Lay, Rix, DC, D-Series, and Hyacinth. Thank you so much. Bye-bye! See you later! Makakauwi na rin. Makapag-bingo na charot.